Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today, we're tackling a critical question for any medical device manufacturer looking to expand. How much does it really cost to register a medical device in the GCC countries? The simple answer, focusing on official government fees, is often misleading. The true cost is a complex calculation involving multiple direct and indirect expenses that can significantly impact your budget. The two largest and most influential markets in the region are Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. Their regulatory bodies, the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, and the UAE's Ministry of Health and Prevention, or MOHAP, set the standard for the region. The official application fees are just the starting point. For instance, in Saudi Arabia, SFDA fees for medical device marketing authorization can range from approximately $1,500 for a low-risk Class 1 device to over $6,000 for a high-risk Class 3 device. This does not include other mandatory costs. One of the most significant additional costs is appointing a local authorized representative. This is a legal requirement in countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE. Your authorized representative is responsible for all communication with the regulatory authorities, and their fees are a recurring annual cost that can run into several $1,000s. Then there are the documentation costs. While the technical dossier is typically submitted in English, certain documents, like the instructions for use or patient-facing labeling, often require professional Arabic translation. Furthermore, legal documents such as your quality management system certificates or free sale certificates must be notarized and legalized by the respective country's embassy in your home country, a process that adds both cost and time. Let's consider a real-world case. A European company with a Class 2B cardiovascular stent planned to enter the Saudi market. They budgeted for the SFDA's official application fee of around $4,000. They were then surprised to learn they needed to appoint a Saudi-authorized representative, which cost them an additional annual fee of $5,000. They also spent nearly $1,500 on the notarization and embassy legalization of their core documents, a process which delayed their submission by 6 weeks. Their total initial cost was nearly triple their original budget, not including the internal resources spent on managing the unexpected hurdles. This highlights the importance of a comprehensive budget that goes beyond the fee schedule. A successful market entry strategy requires a detailed understanding of every line item, from regulatory fees and translation to local representation and potential post-market surveillance costs. Understanding this total cost of ownership is critical for forecasting and securing a sustainable presence in the Gulf. Navigating this complex cost landscape is where having an experienced partner becomes invaluable. For a detailed assessment of your market entry strategy in the MENA region, you can email or visit Chen-Global.